Normally in a game, if a player can perform an action like speak to an NPC, there's some kind of user interface element that lets them know beforehand. So in our game, we're going to have a little bubble pop up when we're within range of our three characters. This will let us know that we can talk to them. Now we already imported the asset that we need for this. That's SPR GUI prompt. Now mine is under the sprites group and under the user interface subgroup, but yours might be organized differently. Open up the sprite, and in the sprite editor, we just need to do one thing. We want to change that origin point so it's in the middle. To do this, let's go on the top right and choose middle center. And that's it. You can go ahead and close that sprite. Next, we want to create a new object for our prompt. So in the asset browser, I'm going to right click, choose create, and choose object. And we'll rename this obj underscore prompt. Let's attach that sprite to this object. So we'll click on no sprite and find that prompt sprite. At this point, it's probably a good idea to keep organized. So let's create a new group within our objects group and keep some of these user interface elements in there. So I'm going to right click on objects, choose create group, and just call this UI. You can call it user interface, whatever you want. And I'm going to drag in the text box that we made, as well as the prompt object that we just made. That'll make things a little easier later on.